Let's be honest, an hourglass silhouette with a perfect buttock is the dream, right? The definition of beauty has changed over the past few decades, and women are now more conscious about their desired body and shape. A well-rounded and lifted butt, it improves your contour, posture, and overall appearance. Hi, I'm Dr. Priya Bansal, your board-certified cosmetic plastic surgeon. With my years of expertise, today I will be sharing details of Brazilian butt lift or buttock augmentation with you. Brazilian butt lift is scientifically known as gluteal or buttock augmentation. Now, in simple words, it is a procedure which enhances the size and proportion of your buttocks and improves the overall body contour, giving a desirable silhouette. Now, did you know that there are two ways to achieve this? It can be done either with a butt implant or with fat grafting procedure using autologous fat from your body. Let us understand this further. So when we say fat grafting procedure, in this, excess fat is removed from areas of your body like your waist, the back, the thighs through liposuction, and then this fat is processed and transferred into your buttocks for an improved shape and contour. Now, there's a dual benefit associated with fat transfer. When the waist and thigh is contoured and the fat is harvested from these areas, it gives the illusion of an enhanced buttock, of an increased buttock projection, because the waist is gone in, the back has gone in, the thigh is contoured. So automatically the buttock appears as if it has been augmented. Now, this fat transfer procedure is also preferred if you have a saggy butt. Why? Because in such case, if we put in an implant, this will add to the weight of an already sagging butt and make it look more saggy. So how do we do this fat transfer procedure? Fat is harvested from areas of excess, your waist, hip, thigh, wherever we've marked. It is then purified with saline, and this fat is then grafted to your buttocks. Now, some of the fat which has been grafted, around 30 to 40% of it, that gets absorbed by the body in the initial few weeks. And after this, whatever fat remains, this remains lifelong, and whatever projection you have achieved in your buttock, it remains unchanged after the initial 4 to 6 weeks of absorption. So how do we do butt implants? In butt implants, silicone-filled artificial implants, they are placed inside the buttock tissue. Now, I always urge my patients to understand their body type, their requirements, and be transparent with their queries for the best desired outcome. Depending upon their expectation, the right implant size is recommended. However, it is important to note that butt implant has a higher chances of implant extrusion. Why? Because in case of butt implant, the incisions lie in the gluteal cleft. Now, this is an area which is very prone to infection. So, I usually suggest implant to patients who do not have excess fat in their body and from where fat harvest cannot be done to achieve a fat transfer. If you have excess fat in your body and your butts are sagging, then I would recommend you to choose the fat grafting method. I've already explained the reasons before. We can also use a combination of both implant and fat in patients who have very limited fat, because in this procedure then the outline of the implant is not visible, and with an additional layer of fat grafting, the chances of extrusion is decreased. Now, before getting a Brazilian butt lift, it is very important for the patients to have fair expectations from the procedure. As the name indicates, a buttock augmentation procedure enhances the existing structure of your buttocks and it does not change the natural contour of your body. I will leave you with a list of realistic expectations which you can have from a BBL. It will increase the fullness and roundness of the buttocks. It will help you attain an hourglass, more proportionate figure. It will help you achieve symmetry in case you have an asymmetry or misshapen buttock. And finally, it will help boost your confidence with a better balanced figure. Does this sound appealing? Then a BBL procedure can increase your happiness factor with a butt projection that makes you want to flaunt it every day. For any queries, you can book a consultation with me. I will leave the link in the description. Bye-bye. See you soon in the next video.